wake me at 5. Got a piss, I wake up, man, it's 6:39. Out of time.
Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving in this amazing plugin called PhaseMistress from Soundtoys, and the best part, this plugin is free until November 15. Go grab it and download right now. You can use this on guitar, on a rhythmic pattern, or you can use on the bass, on the vocals, to add some depth. Here, for example, I choose this stereo, 11 stereo, and I have some movement of the stereo field. It's nice because the hi-hat moving around the stereo field and create this movement. So grab it while you can. If you liked this video, give the thumb ups, and don't forget to subscribe for more plugin tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.